Okay, so out here at the discharge, we're going to go from inch and a half PVC to thin wall 3-inch. And the way we do that, there's a special donut that's designed to go into the thin wall, okay? And you can get this, you can call me, or if you have a good plumbing supply, they would carry this as well. So we're going to go ahead and glue that little donut that goes on the inch and a half, okay? That slides on there. Next, we're going to go ahead and glue the 3-inch 90. Good amount of glue on there. Then we're just going to line that up so it sits square. Then we're going to go ahead and put a grate on here. Now you could use a pop-up, but I found that grates work much better. That pump's got a lot of power and it usually blows the pop-up apart. Even when we put set screws into the emitter, it still blows them apart. So we're going to go ahead and glue this piece in there as well, but we need to put the set screw in there because this is only a mechanical bond. It doesn't really weld, and it does hold, but we're going to put a set screw in there anyways. And you just need one screw to hold it in place because you're going to take it apart in the future. Someday they'll take that apart. So we're all set. So this is our discharge line. Remember that we went from inch and a half to 3-inch. We're getting ready to backfill that. As you can see, it runs all the way up. And you saw where I connected it to the sump basin. It goes clear around to the back. That Zoller M98, it is extremely powerful. I have no problem and any worries at all about keeping up with the amount of water that comes off of the roof and or water that comes up through the ground, even through a hurricane. As long as there's power, this pump is going to continue to push that water, and that foundation should stay very dry.